Вітаю, з вами Саймон та канал Є-Знання. Ми продовжуємо вивчати англійську мову разом з вами і переходимо до практики. I'm right. Я правий. I'm right. Are we right? Ми праві. Are we right? Are you there? Ти там. Are you there? Are they at home? Вони вдома. Are they at home? Is he busy? Він зайнятий. Is he busy? Is she at work? Вона на роботі. Is she at work? Is it interesting? Це цікаво. Is it interesting? Are you happy? Ви щасливі? Are you happy? Are you sure? Ви впевнені? Are you sure? Are you really sure? Ви справді впевнені? Are you really sure? Are you busy now? Ви зайняті зараз? Are you busy now? Добре, наступні. Are you really happy? Ви справді щасливі? Are you really happy? Are you here? Ти тут? Are you here? Are you together? Ви разом? Are you together? Are you a student? Ви студент? Are you a student? Are you very busy now? Ви зараз дуже зайняті. Are you very busy now? Are they at school? Вони в школі. Are they at school? Are they far? Вони далеко. Are they far? Are they very far? Вони дуже далеко. Are they very far? Are they near? Вони поруч. Are they near? Are they students? Вони студенти. Are they students? Are they rich? Вони багаті. Are they rich? Are they really sure? Вони справді впевнені. Are they really sure? Are they poor? Вони бідні. Are they poor? Добре, наступні речення. Is he a friend? Він твій друг. Is he a friend? Is he a doctor? Він лікар. Is he a doctor? Is he a businessman? Він бізнесмен. Is he a businessman? Is he her boyfriend? Він її хлопець. Is he her boyfriend? Is he married? Він одружений. Is he married? Is she married? Вона заміжня. Is she married? Is she right? Вона права. Is she right? Is she really sure? Вона справді впевнена. Is she really sure? Is she his girlfriend? Вона його дівчина. Is she his girlfriend? Is she a student? Вона студентка. Is she a student? Is she a sister? Вона твоя сестра. Is she a sister? Is she often there? Вона часто там. Is she often there? Добре, наступні речення наостанок у нас сьогодні. Is it important? Це чи важливо це? Is it important? Is it very important? Це дуже важливо. Is it very important? Is it good? Чи добре це? Is it good? Is it really good? Чи справді це добре? Is it really good? Is it bad? Це погано. Is it bad? Is it interesting? Це цікаво. Is it interesting? Is it really interesting? Це дійсно цікаво. Is it really interesting? Is it enough? Чи достатньо цього? Is it enough? Is it possible? Це можливо. Is it possible? Is it really possible? Чи справді це можливо? Is it really possible? Is it free? Це безкоштовно. Is it free? Is it absolutely free? Це абсолютно безкоштовно. Is it absolutely free? Is it effective? Чи ефективно це? Is it effective? Is it so effective? Це так ефективно. Is it so effective? Is it very effective? Це дуже ефективно. Is it very effective? Is it really effective? Це дійсно ефективно. Is it really effective? Урок закінчено. We continue this very important course here next time. Ну а поки підпишіться на цей канал, поставте цьому відео файний лайк або вподобаєчку, напишіть будь-який коментар, поділіться цим відео з друзями та знайомими, зробимо разом українську освіту більш доступною та найкращою. А також в описі до цього відео ви можете підтримати наш проєкт копійчиною. До побачення!